What if confidence isn't something that you gain, but something that you just let loose? Confidence coach Val Vee joins us now with more on her mission to help others unleash their inner confidence. And there's a reason that you have this inner confidence. And you say it's how you grew up.
Yes. Absolutely. I grew up downtown Toronto, surrounded by criminals and bikers, and they taught me a lot of things that I guess normal people that aren't exposed to that kind of life, invaluable lessons, and I wouldn't change that, and it made me who I am today, and I'm absolutely grateful for it.
But you say for the longest time you kept that hidden. You kept it hidden. You were, you were embarrassed that you were a high school dropout.
Yeah, I was very embarrassed that I was a high school dropout. I had a big brother that was a bad boy, and I kept that secret for a long, long time. And until people were telling me to get on bigger stages and run for politics even.
And why were they doing that? Just because of your personality kind of thing?
Yeah, they think I'm very funny, very opinionated when it comes to politics, as most people are nowadays. And they felt that I should run because they agreed with me or whatever, different opinions. And then I said to my husband one night, I said, if I do this, people are going to find out about me. Because I even kept it secret from my husband for the longest time when we first started dating. And he said, just own it. Talk about it before they do. So that's what I did.
And sometimes that owning it and sharing whatever little piece of background that you think is embarrassing, it makes you more relatable, right?
It made me really relatable.
Yeah.
Because I attracted more people in the first 6 months of me admitting all my secrets than 6 years of being somebody that I wasn't. So it just, people are more attracted to me, like women. I'm a high school dropout too, and they're successful. They've made it. I own 7 businesses right now, and some of them did $1 million in their first year. And who can say that, right? We were supposed to follow a certain way. Well, I beat the odds.
Right. So now you've developed this new program.
I did.
Unleash Your Inner Confidence. Is that what it's called?
Unleashed Confidence.
Unleashed Confidence. Okay. Where you're, especially women, you're trying to kind of show other women like it's inside you.
It is.
Just let it out.
100%. It's supposed to be unleashed. You don't wait for it, you unleash it. And I want to help women do that. I created this program. It literally was born out of rejection and built on truth, and because of all that rejection, I created the space for myself. And I want other women to feel what I feel. To walk into a room, you don't even have to open your mouth. People will feel your presence. And it's such an amazing feeling, and I want women to feel that when they're walking into a networking event or a trade show or when they're selling things, because confidence sells. Even into like personal relationships or friendships or anything, right? Anything.
Like family.
Yeah, definitely. If they're more confident, they bring that home to their house. You make their children confident, especially girls, with all the filters and social media, even boys. We need confidence, and I feel like we're lacking it.
You do one-on-one coaching.
I do.
Okay, but you also have a few events coming up in the fall, in September.
Yeah,
Can't believe we're saying the fall already.
I know. I'm grateful for it. Let me tell you. Yeah, we're kicking off Unleash Confidence with a workshop on September 16th online. So you can go to unleashconfidence.com and register for that. We're going to start there. We're going to start primarily with women, and then we're going to see where it goes.
And you're at an event in Burlington as well.
Very excited. I'm at the Femme Fatale event at the Pearl Hotel on September 8th. I'm sitting on a panel. I'm going to be discussing confidence after hardship, what it looks like. I also have free tickets to give away. So anybody that wants a free ticket to the event, just come to Instagram at @Val Vee and DM me, and I'll send you a free ticket. Okay,
and we'll get all your posts and everything up online, up on our website as well. We've got about 30 seconds left.
Okay.
What's the one tip you could give women or men who are watching right now about confidence?
Own it. Own your story. That's it. Don't be afraid. Don't try to be likable to make someone else comfortable. It's not your job. Just own your story.
Be yourself.
Be yourself, truly.
Okay. Excellent confidence advice there. Again, we will get Val's information, all her links up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
I could feel your confidence.
Thank you.